Hi, today I'm going to make these very pretty paper candles. Very easy to make. Perfect for children to make. Materials required are, this is a golden colored metallic paper, and these are 6 sheets of the same paper, thin paper like printer paper, colored on both sides. And this is a golden cord, and this is optional. Take this sheet of paper. This is an A4 size paper, so now just fold it in half and half again. And I'll now just cut it on these fold lines. So now just take one strip, fold it in half, and then turn it over and fold it like this. So you get a strip like this. So I'll do with the others also. So after folding all of them, just take the glue and apply it in the center of the strip and just stick it. So you get a pattern like this. So I've already done with these. Now just apply glue on one side like this. Take the other strip. Now this folded side should be the same on all the strips, so keeping that in mind, just stick them one on top of the other. Like so. And I've already made the other strips and stuck them in the same way. So I'll just stick this on top of this. Like this. Now just apply glue on the last one. And bring the first one over and stick it. So this is how it will look. Now from the gold paper, I have cut out these identical shapes, flame shapes. Just apply some glue on one. And let it stick. Now just apply glue on the lower side of the flame. And on the other side also. Just put it in the center. Pushing all the edges together. And let it stick for a while. So you just have to hold it for a few seconds till this dries. So this is how it will look, the candle. Now this is, as I mentioned earlier, this is optional. So I'm just going to tie this cord around it. So it will hold all the paper folds together, and I think it will look pretty also. And this is how the candle would look. So I've made others in the same way. So this is slightly shorter than this one. And if you don't have this metallic paper, you can always use this glitter foam sheet. And get candles like this.